In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a main menu form in Microsoft Access with buttons or a list box. A main menu gives your users a simple home screen to open forms and reports without digging through the navigation pane. Let's build it step by step. Start by opening Microsoft Access and your database. Create a new blank form by going to the Create tab and choosing a new form option. This gives you a clean canvas for your menu. Next, make the form look like a true menu by hiding default form Chrome. If the property sheet isn't visible, press F4 to open it. On the Format tab of the property sheet, set record selectors to No and navigation buttons to No. This removes the gray selector bar and the navigation controls at the bottom so the screen feels more like an application menu. Before adding controls, confirm that Use Control Wizards is turned on in the Design tab. This setting ensures Access walks you through helpful choices as you add interactive elements. Now add your first button. Click the button control in the controls group, then draw a button on the form where you want it. The command button wizard should open automatically. In the wizard, pick a category and an action that matches what you want the button to do. For example, choose form operations to open a form or report operations to open a report. When prompted, select the specific form or report this button should open. This links your button to its destination. Next, decide whether the button should show text or a picture. Text is typically the clearest choice for menus, but a picture can work well if you have consistent icons. Click Next to continue. Give the button a meaningful name and finish the wizard. It helps to use clear wording so users immediately understand what the button does. Also note there's a difference between the button's on-screen caption and its internal name. Both benefit from clarity to keep your database organized. Save the form and give it a descriptive name, such as Main Menu. To make this menu open automatically when the database starts, go to File, Options, and then Current Database. In the Display Form dropdown, choose the menu form you just saved and click OK. For the change to take effect, close and reopen the database. When it reopens, your main menu will appear first, ready for use. Repeat the same button process to add links to all the forms and reports your users need. If you prefer a single control that lists choices, a list box can also serve as a menu, but the button approach you just built is straightforward and user-friendly.